Before the renovation, this was kind of like a pole barn grafted onto the house. It didn't have any insulation. It didn't have much of a floor, and the walls weren't anything to speak of either. So, but now we've got ourselves a wonderful space compared to what we had before. It's got a new floor, it's got proper windows, it's insulated, it's heated, which it never was before. We noticed Frontier, first time we noticed them was doing some work for neighbors down the street. And we saw the sign, and we actually liked the look of what the company was doing down the street, so we went and asked for a card. We chose Frontier for this project because they'd done a bit of work for us before, and we were really happy with that. And so once we were ready to do the much bigger project, Frontier seemed like the logical choice. We were really happy with the work all along. It's been a good experience working with Frontier right from the get-go. We sat down together and worked out the plans, and there's been a really good communication all along insofar as what's going on with the project and timelines and what's required, and not a lot of surprises. Communication has been really good all along, whether it's been talking to the people who are actually working on the project, or emails and texts, or just dropping over to the office, phone calls. It's been really solid through the whole project. The work's been top notch all along. Good materials, really good workmanship. I would say Frontier was a great company to go to. They're great at not cutting corners for all the right reasons, and I'd recommend them for anybody's project.